kids, welcome again to our English time. How are you today? Very good. Okay, so now we will have a new lesson. And this lesson is all about letters. Do you know this one? Yes, that's right. This is a big letter A. Can everyone see it? Very good. Now, I also have this one. Okay, so this is what we call the small letter A. So now, do you know what's the sound of letter A? Anybody? Okay, so this time I will show you how to say the sound of letter A. Open your mouth and you say ah. Ah. Can you open your mouth and say it again? Ah. Ah. Very good. This time, do you know the thing that began with letter A? Any things? Okay, so I will show you something. Have you seen this kind of fruit? It's delicious, right? I always eat this kind of fruit. Do you know what is it? Yes, that's right. This is an apple. Okay, open your mouth and say it with me. This is an apple. As you can see, this fruit starts with the letter A. So now, another thing. I'll show this to you. Have you seen this kind of animal? I've seen this a lot in our house. Alright, what do you call this kind of animal? Yes, very good. This is an ant. Can you say it again? And another thing, have you ride this kind of transportation? Do you know what kind of transportation is this? Good job. This is an airplane. Can you say it again? An airplane. Last thing is very good. This is an avocado. Open your mouth and say, this is an avocado.